Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the windshield wipers on the Tesla Model Y. On the left hand stalk we have an icon showing that if you press it once in like this, it will trigger a single wipe, and if you hold it down it will trigger the wipers to spray some fluid and wash your windshield. Also note that when you do either of those, on the screen you will get some guidance on how to use the windshield wipers. So it's showing that by using this left hand roll up or down you can choose between the different settings. So you can choose off, auto, and then 3 different speed levels where this is the highest speed and 1 is the lowest. And if you have it on auto, that works most of the time, but sometimes it will start wiping for no apparent reason, so then just manually turn it off. And now they have a fix. Even though you use auto steer, you can turn it off, which wasn't possible for some odd reason earlier. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.